This government is determined to create the environment that will yield decent paying jobs for workers in a logistics-centered economy.
An important part of that is building the capacity of businesses within the productive sector so they can generate more employment options. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation, the JBDC, is leading government's intervention in this area.
We are empowering our small businesses with technical skills, knowledge, and confidence.
This fiscal year, the JBDC is doing that through its capacity building workshops, which provide targeted intervention for entrepreneurs.
The objectives of the workshop is really to get entrepreneurs up to speed with the relevant specificities of the particular industry, and certainly training them how to be entrepreneurs as well and take advantage of these particular opportunities.
The initiative is not new but has been revamped to ensure that entrepreneurs are keeping up with current global workforce trends. The workshops cover critical technical matters that can build the managerial and operational outputs of a company.
Our workshops are tied to our overall work plan in terms of what our yearly objectives are. And what we try to do is to have an integrated approach to workshops. So we tend to have sessions teaching persons about intellectual property, teaching persons about building your brand, teaching them how to properly cost and price your products, how to market your products, how to operate your business operations more efficiently. So they become more integrated.
This year's workshops are introducing some unique elements that reflect emerging global trends, like programs in paper floral creation, sand beading, jewelry making, and lavishly leather sandals making.
We have also coming up a series of baking workshops and baked product workshops, cake decorating workshops. Normally towards the end of the year we have a food workshop which is about doing all the wonderful cakes and stuff for Christmas and so on. So we have quite a wide range of workshops.
These capacity building workshops are responding to the government's strategic focus on job creation and economic growth.
A person would have come here probably doing something as a hobby or just as an interest to hear about a workshop when they come here, and they would now transition into being their own business owner. We have also seen where we have in other workshops where we have taught people skills. For example, we have had leather craft workshops and sandal making workshops in the past where participants from those workshops have become employees of established shoemaking and sandal making entities. So we see it as a direct contributor of employment creation, where persons can now use their skills to either seek employment with a local company or to use those skills to expand their own employment.
A detailed calendar of the workshops can be found on the JBDC's website, jbdc.net. You can also call the corporation's Incubator Resource Center at 758-3966 or 758-3967.